Good day, everyone. Welcome to ISIFE EDUBLOG. My name is Martin Ekpa. I'll be your English guide, as always. And we urge you, especially if today is the first time, to subscribe, to like, and to share our videos to your loved ones and friends as well. Please do follow all our programs. Always remember to go to the assignment sessions at the end of every lesson. Today, we shall be looking at diphthongs. Diphthongs. So, what is a diphthong? As you can see on the board, a diphthong is a union of two vowel qualities. Take note, I did not say a union of two vowels. I said a union of two vowel qualities. The last time we worked on diphthongs, I gave you examples to include this. This is long vowel E. E, and here is R. So, if you should combine these two, or let's say the short vowel E and the long vowel R, you will get I. I. Now, as phoneticians, we don't like to say that these are two vowels. No, they are two vowels made one. So, once they become one, we say there is a combination of two vowel qualities. So, seamlessly, you move from R to E, as in I. So, we said they are called impure vowels because they combine the qualities of two monophthongs. They combine the qualities of two monophthongs, as we have earlier described. That's why they are called impure vowels. A pure vowel is the R or the E or the E with only one quality. The English monophthongs are 12 in number, but the diphthongs which we are treating today are 8. Right? 8 diphthongs. Added to the 12 monophthongs will give you the 20 vowels we have in English. The first of these 8 diphthongs is, say, A. A. You have it in way. 8, great, pale, paint, sachet. Say sachet. Alright? The E in sachet is A, and the T is silent. The second is I. Say I. Y, fight, dry, lie, hide, buy. Of course, you still have B-U-Y and you have B-Y-E. These are all homophones. They're pronounced buy. Buy when it means exchanging something for money. Buy when it means saying goodbye. Okay? So that's I in those array of examples. Next is oil. Say oil. Sometimes we want to pronounce oil and we say oil. No, we import another vowel altogether. The word is oil. So we move seamlessly from the oil to L. Oil. Oil. So don't make it oil. Alright? Here is oil. Examples include oil, boil, coy, boy, boy. So B-O-U-Y is also spelled, pronounced boy. Something you use to avoid sinking while swimming. Okay. L. That's next. Number 3. L. We have L. Usually, the mistake is in this form. The British English says L, or the British people says L. Then the Americans will say O. And the Nigerian will simply say O. So you see, it is L in the British accent, it is O in the American accent, and it is O in the Nigerian accent. So we try to upgrade this pronunciation so that we look like native speakers. Though we are second language users, we should pronounce these words better. So here we try to say go. Not go. Go. So. No. Alright? So grow. Blow. Though. So. Alright? We sew clothes. Because of the spelling, a good number of Nigerians tend to say sew. No, you don't sew your clothes. You sew them. You sew them. So, sew is the word there. Then, here we have ow. Ow. Ow is in how. Now. So many people will add another N to now to pronounce it as noun. It is not noun. The word is now. Say foul. Foul. South. South. Vowel. Vowel. So it is not vowel. The word is vowel. Vowel. So we move from the ow to another quality. The so vowel, not vowel. Say pie. Pie. Again, we mostly will say power, but we can better say pie. Pie. Next is ear. Ear. This is my ear. So the sound ear is exactly pronounced as the word ear. Other examples include fear, fear, hear, mere. A good number of Nigerians would say meh. No, this word is not meh, it is pronounced mere, just like atmosphere. Alright? Beer, cheer, tear. Hey, listen to this. We have tear in two ways. That is, we have T-E-A-R in two ways. T-E-A-R, when it is a noun, is pronounced tear. Tear. That is the water that drops, or you call it the liquid, I wouldn't know. It's better called the liquid that drops from your eyes when you're crying or laughing. That is tear. If you add S, we have tears. Alright? But the verb form is tear. Tear. Don't tear my shirt. Alright? So this is not tear. Like we say, don't tear my shirt. No. It's better, don't tear. Don't tear that paper. I'm using it. Don't tear that paper. I'm using it. So tear is the verb and tear is the noun. That's it about ear. We'll go to the diphthong number 7. Diphthong number 7 is air. Say air. Air. Exactly what you have in A-I-R. That's also what you have in H-E-I-R. H-E-I-R is air. Then there is wear. 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 Wear your clothes. Bear. Bear. I can't bear it anymore. I can't bear it anymore. Bear. And the verb of T-E-A-R is tear. Tear. Then, last but not least, let us look at ur. Ur. Say pure. Pure. Actual. Actual. Virtual. During. During. So, during. So you see, during. And so, not during. Not during. The word is during. During. So, virtual. Virtual. Pure. Not pure. Pure. Actual. Actual. And so, that has been it on our work on diphthongs. Like we said, subscribe to our channels, share, and like. It's a pleasure to be with you, and we hope that you enjoy what we do. Also, remember to follow the links that will be provided below these lessons to get questions and all of that. Thank you for being there.